Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to download movies on your on Android phone without visiting a torrent website. Before we start this video, I would request everyone to subscribe to our channel so that you can get the latest updates about videos on our YouTube channel. Now let's start the video. So first of all, in order to download any movies on your Android phone, you will require a movie client. It may be a BitTorrent or uTorrent. So please download that on your phone. So I've already downloaded uTorrent on my phone. You can see this. You can download this from the Play Store website. You just need to open Play Store, type uTorrent, and you will get the link to download uTorrent. Now, the second thing, which is very important, in order to download a movie online, you need to ensure that you have an application called Swim Downloader. So I've already downloaded this application. I will share the link from wherein you can download this application on your phone in the description box. So once you download this application Swim, you will see the interface. It will have movies, videos, Shairi. So any movie which you want to download, either you can search it or you can just click on the icons which you have on the screen. So there are a lot of movies which is available there. For example, Bahubali 2. So we will search a movie. So recent movie, I'll search for Hate Story as it was released. So similarly, you can search for your movies. So once you click on search, it will open the movie. You just need to click on the icon, and down below there will be an arrow key. You need to click on it, and it will display the link of the website from wherein the movie would be downloaded. So I'll click on the website name, and it will directly redirect me to torrent, and it will start downloading this movie. So this is a very simple process. Within 30 seconds you can initiate the downloads for the torrent movie. So this is how you can download a movie without visiting the torrent website. If you like this video, please share and comment on this video, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, friends. We will upload a new video on Wednesday. Bye.